Now let's see another example on percentage. Following are the names of different hotels in Abu Dhabi which offers a tax of 16% on the cost per night. Find the total cost for them per night. These are the different hotels name and these are the costs given per night, and because the hotel offers a tax of 16% on the rent per night, so to find the total cost will be the tax plus the cost per night. So to find the tax, I'll select the cell equals, because it is 16% of the price per night, 16%, so I'll just type in 16 over 100, 16% times the cost per night, so this cell E3. I'll click on enter. This calculates the tax charged per night. I can use the autofill feature to calculate the taxes for the other hotels also, and the total cost will be addition of the cost per night plus taxes. So total cost, I'll select the cell equals cell E3 plus the taxes. I'll click on enter to add up these values. I can use the autofill feature to find the cost of other hotels as well. So the taxes plus taxes are calculated on the cost per night. So 16% of the charge per night plus taxes gives us the total cost.